Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem we're asked to find the sum of 7 plus 3i in parentheses plus negative 8 plus 9i, also in parentheses. So if we write this out right here, let's not worry about what I means just yet. If we need to use it, we will. But right now, let's just treat it like a variable. So when you have parentheses, the first thing you want to do is see, is there a coefficient? And there's no coefficient listed here, so we know that that's an imaginary 1. So when you're trying to get rid of the parentheses, you would just distribute the coefficient, but since the coefficient is 1, it doesn't actually change anything. So you basically have 1 times 7, which is 7 times 1 plus 3i, and we do the same thing. It doesn't actually change what's in it, so we have plus negative 8 plus 9i. Again, technically we're distributing to get rid of the parentheses, but it doesn't really work that way. So we have 7 plus negative 8, which is 7 minus 8, plus 3i, plus 9i. This is just rearranging these so the numbers are together and the i's are together. Should put equal signs in here. And this is equal to 7 minus 8 is negative 1, plus, and then for your I terms, we have 3i plus 9i. So we have 3 plus 9 is 12i. And this is equal to A, so A is going to be your answer. And again, we didn't even need this. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.